Hi there, welcome back to our Python programming series. Today we are going to cover 4 basic concepts in Python. They are identifiers, keywords, variables, and comments. If you are new to programming, don't worry, we will start from scratch. Identifiers. In Python, an identifier is a name given to a variable, function, class, or any other object in Python. Identifiers can contain letters, digits, and underscores, but cannot start with a digit. They are case-sensitive, so hello and hello are two different identifiers. Let's look at some examples. My age 24 is equal to 24. My underscore fruits is equal to orange, apple, banana. My class is equal to my class. These are valid identifiers. Identifiers which are started with numbers or contains any symbol except underscore, then they are invalid identifiers. Now let's move on to keywords. In Python, keywords are reserved words that have a special meaning and cannot be used as identifiers. Some common keywords in Python include if, else, while, and for. Let's talk about variables. In Python, a variable is a name that refers to a value. You can think of a variable as a container that holds a specific value. These values can be numbers, strings, or any other data type. In Python, you don't have to declare a variable before using it. You can simply assign a value to a variable name, and Python will create the variable for you. Look an example for clear understanding. Before we wrap up, let's talk about naming conventions for identifiers and variables in Python. It's important to follow some guidelines to make your code more readable and maintainable. Here are some common conventions. Use descriptive names that reflect the purpose of the identifier or variable. Separate words with underscores, not camel case or mixed case. Use lowercase for variable names and uppercase for constants. Avoid using single-letter variable names, except for loop counters. Comments are used in Python to add notes and explanations to your code. They are ignored by the Python interpreter and are meant for human readers. Comments start with the hash symbol and continue until the end of the line. That's all for today's video on Python variables, identifiers, keywords, and comments. We hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.